I'm your Superintendent Jason Manuel, and this is your GMSD Connection, a brief state of the district. Welcome back from spring break. Our schools have hit the ground running as we head into quarter 4. The Germantown Board of Education meets next Tuesday and will be continuing to celebrate Tennessee Youth Art Month by recognizing some extraordinary student artists. March's Employee That Empowers is Houston High School's Ellie Talley. See your roundup for more details about these talented students and how Miss Talley is improving instruction at Houston High School. Thank you, as always, for your highlight submissions. Congratulations to our GMC PTO and several GMSD students for a successful GMSD Day on the Hill in Nashville this past week. Meet Crafty, the new 3D printer at Dogwood Elementary School. Go behind the scenes of an innovative training at Riverdale that introduces virtual reality headsets to Riverdale teachers. View some amazing photos of the Houston High School choir trip to Ireland. Congratulations to Houston High for winning the Tennessee FAFSA Challenge by having a completion rate exceeding 95%. Houston Middle School continues to raise the bar in social and emotional supports and has again earned the RAMP distinction for excellence in school counseling. They continue to be the only middle school in Tennessee that has earned the distinction. We'd like to give a shout out to Nicholas from Miss Howard's class at Forest Hill, who used his Genius Hour to produce a sports podcast in which he interviewed HHS soccer coach David Wolf. Look for this young student's new podcast to premiere next week. Mark your calendars for the Battle of the Brains this weekend, the Houston High School International Extravaganza and Fiddler on the Roof, the school's spring musical production. See your roundup for some fun facts about each of these upcoming events. Thank you for your feedback about our COVID notifications. GMSD will move forward with daily updates to the COVID dashboard and will transition from daily text and emails to a weekly email to families connecting them to the COVID data dashboard. Parents can also continue to find a permission form for the Panorama survey in the Skyward Access. This weekend is your last chance to complete this survey. Join me in signing up for the GMSD 5K Stampede Run GMSD. And remember that the GEF Spring Teacher Grant applications are also open. Please email gef@gmsdk12.org for additional information or see the roundup for links to the application. Do you want your class, group, or student achievement highlighted in the GMSD Connection? Submit your information in a photograph through our Let's Talk system or respond to your weekly roundup email. I encourage you to explore the upcoming events in your newsletter each week. There are some really wonderful opportunities to get connected this spring. I'm your Superintendent Jason Manuel, and this has been your GMSD Connection.